We are back, Pyros, with some more Pyro Demon fireworks. This one's called Vampira. That is some pretty kick-ass artwork. 500 gram, 15 shot. If you're doing a Halloween theme, you can add like this one in for Halloween theme kind of style fireworks show. I'm not saying the color aspect because I'm not sure what the colors are, but just in terms of pictures, it'd be kind of neat. But anyways, this comes from Bada Boom Fireworks of Lakesy, PA. 500 grammer, and then the 15 shotter. I just love how that looks, honestly. But let's look underneath. You see, there's going to be a fan, and there it is. Your 15 shotter. It's your boy Rob. And again, you know what to do. I'll see you in the comments down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll see you in a few seconds.